Trades. Change the way you trade forever.
Hello traders. So basically today we are going through all the rules you need to know when it comes to the risk manager and FTMO challenge, for example, or any other challenges. The thing is, all the prop firms is going to have different rules, so you need to delve into the prop firm and actually find out what kind of rule they have, right? Because everyone has different rules. But we're going to do FTMO as an example right now. So the first thing you need to know about FTMO, they don't allow high impact news trading. So the first thing you do in the morning is basically go into forexfactory.com in here, and then you check if there's any high impact news coming out, right? So we can see earlier today we had some Aussie news, right? So we won't trade or have any trades open during this high impact news. And you can see this folder is red, so this is a high impact news in here. The yellow ones, it's not high impact and not the orange either. So we're only focusing on the red folders right here. But after this news is done, you can basically trade odd as well. And if we look at the market today, so the next red folder news is going to be USD, right? So you want to stay away from Euro USD, you want to stay away from GBP USD, AUD USD, anything USD related, right? So if you're in a trade and the news is coming, you need to close that trade. And after the news, you are free to trade USD again, right? So after 4 p.m., you can set up a new trade. That's basically how you should look at news. The next thing is basically when you should trade. So I would say you want to trade when the market has high volatility, and that's usually between 7 a.m. plus 2 UTC, I'm in summertime right now, and 7 p.m. Did I say 7 a.m.? I think I said 7 a.m. Plus 2 UTC and 7 p.m. plus 2 UTC as well. So you want to stay between those ranges of trading, basically, because there is more volatility in the London and New York session. So that's the next step. Also, regarding a rule when it comes to FTMO, you want to not do overnight trading as well. That's why I like those times. So let's say after 9 o'clock, there's going to be an increase in spread on all of the pairs. And you don't want to actually trade when that happens, because the hedge mode will actually destroy the account for you. So don't do that. Time frames, yeah, we have some time frames in here as well. So I personally use the 1 minute and the 5 minute. You can choose which one you want yourself, but you want to get in and out of the trade accordingly to the day because of that FTMO, and you can't hold the trade over the night, basically. So the 1 minute, 5 minute is really good enough. And then we come into the risk manager in here, and how I've set it up right here is that I'm using use risk percentage, this mode right here, and then I use 0.10% risk. Then I also switch this to degen mode. Then I use 5 max hedges. You can scale this from 3 to 5 if you wish to, but I like 5. The reward you can also scale from 2 to 5. Right, I like 3. That's basically what I've done with this account, and you can see that it's working pretty well. The reason why we're using 0.10% risk and 5 max hedges is because you have a daily drawdown limit on FTMO, right? You have maximum 5% a daily drawdown limit. So using 0.10% risk on each trade right here is also safeguarding you for exceeding that 5% drawdown rule, which they have. So right now I have 214. So if I lose 5 hedges in a row, right? So if I lose 5 hedges in a row, I'm going to lose 3.1% of the total account, which is less than 5% daily drawdown. And also, it's also good to build like a buffer, right? So if you're doing a prop and you get the payout, right, take out 50% of what you made. Not take out everything, because then you need to start all over clean again, right? You can take out 25% and build a buffer, so you always have that maximum drawdown, and you have the account for a longer time. Basically, this is just you being smart and having this account longer than just one payout, right? And do we have some more rules in here? I think basically that was everything you need to know about the rules and how to use this risk manager. I can actually show you how it works as well in here. So basically, when you're entering a trade, I can enter a trade right here if I want to. You can see if you're on a 100k account or on a 200k account, I would use around 3 in lot size maximum, because FTMO only allow 50 in maximum lot size, and this one will double 5 times right now. So this trade right here would be 3 in lot size. The next position, if it hedges, it's going to be 6. So it has a kind of doubling mode in here, and if you double that up, right, from 3, it's going to be, the last trade is going to be 48 lots basically, and that's right under 50. So I could basically just push this trade here if I want to, but I'd see in here I got Wyckoff in here coming. You got selling climax, you got AR, ST, secondary test right there. I'm actually expecting price to take out this low right here and give us a ST in phase B, so we can actually look for higher prices on euro right here. Also, if you want to have, let's say you want to have something that can give you signals to push the buy or a hedge buy or hedge sell in here, right? You could potentially use the V-stream indicator we have. Or let me just this one. Let me just add the V-stream indicator in here so you can see that. So you have the V-stream in here, and you can see this one is actually producing buy and sell labels, and the V-stream is basically showing you if you want to go short, you're following basically this line right here. If this is red, you're only looking for sell trades. If this is green, you're looking for buy trades, and that's also a way you can actually initiate the trade if you want to do so. So I think that's basically what I got for now when it comes to rules, and I'll see you guys in the next video.